Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to detect which body has been collided with an Area2d if there are multiple bodies inside your game in Godot Game Engine. So let's get started. So I'll just create one project. Okay, let's just wait. Here I'll just create one starting scene. I'll name it as game. I'll command S to save it. Then I'll just run this so that this is the starting scene that has been selected. Okay, then I'll just click on this plus button, and here I'll just click on this plus button again. I'll click on Area2d. Then here I'll just I'll just add a collision shape, and what all it okay, and I'll just collision shape it requires I'll just add a new rectangle shape. Okay, and I'll make this, I'll expand this something like this so that it covers the entire width of my game. Okay, I'll just command S to save it. Now here I'll just create one character body, maybe something like this, character body. I'll add a sprite 2D and I will add a collision shape as well. Okay, inside sprite 2D I'll just drag and drop this Godot icon, and I'll just zoom in a little. Collision shape, we can just add a new rectangle shape, and I'll just expand this particular part. I'll expand this over here. I'll expand this over here as well. I'll command S to save. Just name it as character body. Now the important thing is, for Area2d, we can go to Area2d, we can attach one script to this. So whenever a body or a character body or whatever kind of body collides with Area2d, I want to know which body has collided. So first you can just go to node, select Area2d, and here you can just do body entered, because I want to detect which body was connected. I'll click on connect. Okay, now here you can see it takes a body. Now we need to know that this particular, suppose I have one more character body, so I want to differentiate between this character bodies, right? What I can do, I can just attach one script to this character body as well, and I can just give it some class name. Class name, I don't know, Pokemon, I guess. Command S to save. Now once it collides with this Area2d, I can just do if body is Pokemon, then only print or do any kind of action whatever you want to, otherwise ignore it. It is Pokemon. Command S to save. Now here inside character body, I'll just make sure this falls continuously so that it collides with my static body. So I'll just do a process function, OC process, and position y plus equal to 100 multiplied by delta. Command S to save. Now our body will keep falling. Now I just need to go to the main parent scene. I'll go to 2D, and here first I'll just add our character body. I'll move it somewhere over here, and I'll add a static body as well. Area2d, sorry, not static body, and I'll move it below. So once it collides, it will print our print statement. So here you can see it has collided and it is telling it is Pokemon. So hopefully you got the point on how to differentiate which body has collided with an Area2d. Thank you for watching. Bye.